Hello everyone. So today we are coming to the end of our Daniel fast. And I'm preparing baked tofu, steamed red potatoes, steamed broccoli over a bed of brown rice. And today I'm using organic farm tofu, which is a great source of protein. So let's get started. First, you want to start by pouring off the water that the tofu has been soaking in. Then you want to slice your tofu, cut it into cubes, and pour it in this glass bowl. This is firm tofu and you don't want to handle it a lot because then it'll start separating. If you're looking for tofu in the store and you're not sure which tofu to buy, I would prefer extra firm or firm tofu and not that silky tofu because it tends to separate easily. Next, we're going to start seasoning our tofu. And here I have black pepper, garlic powder, complete seasoning, cornstarch, smoked paprika, and some soy sauce. Gently mix these seasonings in with your tofu so they won't break apart. Then you want to add your tofu to your baking sheet. And in your preheated oven, we're going to place in our tofu on 350 degrees for 13 minutes. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. Now I'm going to place the tofu in the oven for 30 minutes. Next, I have 7 red potatoes and I've already washed them. So now I'm going to cut them up into smaller pieces and discard any pieces on the potato that are not edible. In a pan over a medium heat, you want to pour in an inch of water, then add your red potatoes. Next, we're going to add our dry seasonings. I have some complete seasoning, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. And now you want to quickly mix these seasonings into your potatoes. Next, we're going to let these red potatoes steam for about 12 minutes. And you want to cover them with a top. Now I'm going to steam my broccoli. But first you want to soak your broccoli in salt water to remove any bugs. Next you want to cut the stems and remove the leaves from your broccoli. Then you're going to start sizing down your broccoli and cutting your broccoli up into little trees. Broccoli is a great source of calcium and vitamin K. It also helps to improve heart health and improves blood sugar levels. So you can't go wrong with eating broccoli. It's very healthy for you, and it also has other benefits as well. In your cast iron skillet, pour in about an inch of water and let your water come to a boil. Then you want to pour in your broccoli and let your broccoli steam for about 5 minutes, and you're going to cover it with a top. Now that we have finished preparing our meal, I want to give a big thank you to all of my supporters for going on this Daniel fast journey with me. 40 plus days have been real. I pray that you have strengthened your relationship with Christ, and I want to thank you again, and I am so glad that I have shared this journey with you all. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit your notification bell and share my channel with everybody in your contacts. Wait. Let's be more realistic. Just share my channel with at least 1 or 2 people. Bye.